how to log in to your eBay MasterCard. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can log in to your eBay MasterCard in just few simple steps. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and click on the search bar. And here, simply type ebaymastercard.syf.com and simply search for it. And you'll be prompted to the official Synchrony Bank portal for managing and activating your eBay Mastercard. Now here, you simply need to click on the user ID and simply put your input of user ID. And once you're done with that, you can simply click on password and after that simply enter your eBay Mastercard password. And once you're done with that, you can simply click on secure login and that's it. That's how you can log in to your eBay Mastercard. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video.